video, you are going to learn how you can change or delete the phone number you have on Facebook. The first thing we are going to do is go to our Facebook application, and once we have the active session, we are going to go to the top corner right where our icon appears. When we are on the icon, we are going to slide to where it says Settings and Privacy. Settings and Privacy. And now the first option that we are going to have is the Settings. When we are in Settings, we can see that the target account center automatically appears. Like, we are going to go to where it say personal details, and below we can see that something of our information appears, but password and security on this second option. In the second option we can see the contact information or personal details. In this case we have the email and the phone numbers. Phone that we have added, in my case I will delete almost. Okay, I delete number, and you must enter your password here. And in my case I add a new phone, add new contact, mobile number here, and I am going to where it says add a mobile number here. You are going to put the new number, what do you have, and you are going to next. You will receive a verification code, and that will be all, friends. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to tell us what you thought of it, and you need any specific one, leave in the comments.